Welcome to our guide on finding and creating funny wooden vintage animal decorations for your business market. In this transcript, we'll explore the process of sourcing or crafting unique decorations that will add a touch of whimsy and personality to your space. Whether you choose to find these decorations at flea markets and antique shops or create them yourself, we'll walk you through the steps of displaying them strategically and encouraging customer interaction. So let's dive in and discover how these charming decorations can enhance your business market. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to create creative and funny wooden vintage animal decorations for your business market. These adorable pieces can add a touch of whimsy and charm to any space, making them perfect for gift shops, cafes, or even your own home. So, let's get started. The first step is to gather your materials. You'll need wooden cutouts of various animal shapes, sandpaper, acrylic paints, paintbrushes, and a clear varnish for the finishing touch. Start by sanding the wooden cutouts to ensure a smooth surface for painting. This will also help the paint adhere better. Now comes the fun part: painting. Let your creativity shine as you choose colors and patterns for each animal. You can go for realistic colors or get playful with vibrant hues. Once the base coat is dry, use a small brush to add details like eyes, stripes, or spots. This is where you can really bring your animals to life. After all the paint has dried, it's time to protect your creations with a clear varnish. This will not only give them a glossy finish but also make them more durable. And there you have it, your very own creative and funny wooden vintage animal decorations. Now, let's see how they look in a business setting. These charming pieces are sure to catch the eye of your customers and bring a smile to their faces. So, why wait? Start creating these adorable wooden animal decorations today and watch your business market thrive. But wait, there's more. If you want to take your wooden animal decorations to the next level, you can also add some additional elements to make them even more unique and eye-catching. Consider adding accessories like mini hats, scarves, or even little glasses to give your animals their own personalities. This will make them stand out even more and create a sense of whimsy and fun. To make these decorations more versatile, you can also attach hooks to the back. This way, they can easily be hung on walls or displayed on shelves. Don't be afraid to get creative with how you display your wooden animal decorations. Arrange them in groups, create themed displays, or even incorporate them into larger decorative pieces. The possibilities are endless. And finally, if you plan on selling these decorations, make sure to package them in a way that protects them during transportation. Consider using eco-friendly materials like recycled cardboard or biodegradable plastic. So, whether you're looking to add some charm to your business market or simply want to create unique decorations for your home, these wooden vintage animal decorations are the perfect choice. Get creative, have fun, and let your imagination run wild. Thank you all for watching this YouTube video on entering the business market for funny wooden vintage animal creative decorations. We hope you found the information valuable and insightful. If you have any questions or would like to share your own experiences, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.